Why won't you eat? Fishy, you need to eat. Eat the food. It's right there. Eat the food.
Because that's what cool people do.
Okay, she found the candy bar she wants, that she's been looking for, and she is petting it. It's not that dusty, come on.
Dad's making faces at us. I made a mess of my bed. I'm gonna go see my friend who I found out lives over in lot 13. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog or not around there. Probably not, but I'll take you guys with me just in case anyways. So, yeah.
Hi. This is Rain. And that's a hat. She's been cuddling me all day. That's my friend, but that's all you're gonna see of him. I can't believe how quiet she is though.
Now, about to go shower. So, yep.
I'd lie for 1,000 days. Keep it bright, your soul burning through the haze. In a fight, our love will break through this maze.